Good morning. I appreciate all of your help this morning in trying to clarify what we're doing with blizzard bags. There were things that you brought up that I hadn't thought of, so we're going to try and clarify that with this video. First thing you need to do is go to your gradebook and then go up here and go ahead and add an assignment. And the naming of it is going to be really important. So for the what I need you to do is write blizzard space bags and either 1 or 2 depending on which day you're doing it for. I'm going to start out with blizzard bags 1. I'm going to go down here to the due date and I'm actually going to assign this to April 1st, which is when we're doing it for. It defaults to 11:59 p.m. That's fine. Give it the amount of points that the assignment is worth. Go in here, you need to make sure you give it a category, so I'm going to put it in discussions. I'm going to leave the scale at numeric, and I'm going to go to grading options. And what I need to do, because we decided these are fourth quarter, these are going to go into fourth quarter grades, we're going to need to manually change this to quarter 4 so that it goes into the correct quarter. And then I'm going to go ahead and hit create. And then what I can do is there's my blizzard bags assignment. Notice I had to change to quarter 4 in order to see it. And then what I can do from here is I can set all grades to 100 and give everybody 100%. I can also go in and override this to somebody who didn't do so well or did fairly well. Now the key here is that what I heard from all of you this morning is that you want this to be a graded assignment. So with that being the case, every student needs to have a score in there. If they did not turn it in, then I need it to be a 0. The reason I need it to be a 0 is because when I go to sort this and export all of these grades so that we can figure out who did it and who didn't, what I'm going to do is eliminate all the people who had zeros, and then in my spreadsheet have it add up all the ones that were actually turned in. So I'll know if a kid turned in 4 bags or 3 bags or 6 bags or whatever it may be. But that's the way that we need to check that. So every student needs to have some kind of a score. If they did not turn it in, please put a 0 in there for them, and that way I can track it. Thanks. I hope this helps clarify some things.